called using the whole road. Maybe you've heard of it. Tom seems different today. Quieter than usual. Kinda cool, kinda creepy. What are you doing? Just hanging out? So you want to restore a car? Well, here's how you do that. Now repeat for like 3,000 hours. The Sandblaster works better when I kick it. This valve cover represents a 4-hour investment on my part. Now lucky me, I get paid for it. Oh, what was that? Yes, Tom, I am off the clock. Anywho, if you don't get paid to do this, you might want to rethink a frame-off restoration. That valve cover already spent a substantial amount of time in here. And it spent like an hour and a half over here, where this one is, stripping off every little bit of silicone and factory rubberized coating to be redone. Then it came to the blast cabinet, which is very difficult to see through and in need of new media. But kicking it makes it work better. It's also next to the world's loudest air compressor. And yet, it's not done. It needs new rubberized coating, and that's after another thorough cleaning. Ooh, the breather's looking nice. Once I am finally done with all that, I have to do all that again. And then I have to do it to a bunch more stuff, so that's good. Oh look, more things to clean. This isn't even really a restoration. It's an engine rebuild, transmission rebuild, and a mechanical once-over to make sure everything is good to go. Yep, that's gonna need an hour. And if you're gonna restore a whole car, like say a perfectly good barn find Charger, it's not long until, well, you're ripping it all apart and doing everything. And it sort of snowballs. Now, if your car says Hemi on the side, that's probably worth doing. But if it looks like this, we'll ignore that. You know, kind of complete, painted, drivable car, maybe you shouldn't restore it. If you're like me, you don't exactly have deep pockets, and it's not like you can just pay someone $100,000 to do it for you. And if you can, you're not watching my channel. Anyway, consider this another warning to watch out for the restoration trap. Don't take your entire car apart and put it in boxes. It's fine, Trev. Everything's here. Yeah, your life will end up looking like this. And like this. And before you know it, it's been 10 years. We do some cool stuff here. It's a lot of fun. It's not cheap. It's very time consuming, I'm learning. Oh look, more money. Anyway, back to the valve cover. By the time this thing's ready to go, and its mate's ready to go, and the engine's all put together, and all the other parts are clean and ready, and it's got paint slapped on it, it'll be 100 hours, and a bunch of time and money. If you have 100 hours, and a bunch of money, go right ahead. Dedicate yourself. But know your limitations. If this were my car and I had to do all this on my free time, it would take 10 years and the car would be on fire. Who am I kidding? I would have sold it in 6 months. If you are going to take on an engine rebuild or a whole restoration project, even a mechanical restoration, anything big, just know it's nothing like it looks on TV. And it's going to take you a long time, so be ready for that. And then, however long you think it's going to take, triple that. And triple the cost, too. And then you'll be close. At least that's what Superfast Matt says. And I think he's right. Play with cars, but don't do too much. And that's all I have to say about that. Thanks for watching. And remember, it's only money.